back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm better. First of all, thank you to those who are watching this video. Thank you to those who have subscribed, even though I haven't been posting content. But we're almost at 3K. Let's try to get us there and even, further along. So today we have a Reformation inspired tutorial. I'm going to be making this top that I'm wearing. I literally went on the website and it was one of the first tops I seen, and I was like, this is so cute. I looked at it and observed it and I was like, the pattern seems so easy, and it was, as you'll see. And yeah, I just made this out of a men's shirt that I got from Walmart, and I thought, why not share it for one good old time in 2020. Here's the video. I'm done talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my tailor's chalk and just mark where I want the top to land on my upper chest area. So you can see I have my concentration face on and it's slightly slanted from this angle, but I can fix it later. I'm also going to go ahead and mark where I want this section to end and where the seaming section of the top is going to start. So just mark that. And then once you're all done, do a little happy dance, and then now it's time to go cut it. Make sure to align the seams of the shirt when you're cutting so you get the best symmetrical cut ever. I'm taking my curved ruler, I don't know what it's called really. And I'm just going to take my chalk and just, perfect that line so it's nice and straight. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut it. Once you're done, you should have a crop top that you probably should not wear in public, like ever. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the remaining of the fabric, and I'm going to measure 15 inches wide after taking my waist measurement of 29 and adding an extra inch for ease and seam allowance. So then I'm going to take my ruler and perfect those lines and cut them out. Taking one part of the top, I'm going to go ahead and measure up about 9 inches from the hem. And I got this measurement because this is where I wanted the shirt to end, from the point of where the top portion of the top ends as well. So from where that ends all the way down to where I want it to end at the bottom around my lower waist is 9 inches. So I'm just going to take my chalk and measure that as you see here, perfect the line with my ruler per usual, and cut it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and separate my 4 seams that's at the center of this top. I'm going to go ahead and measure in between the top halfway, so that's 7.5 inches. And I want to go ahead and mark that. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never baby. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of baby. Now I'm going to divide that section into 2 and do 3.75 inch lines on both sides of this section. And last but not least, I'm going to take my scissors and take my time and cut out these sections. For the back part of this top, I'm just going to measure up 9 inches from the hem as I did with the front, but there's not going to be any separate seams. It's just going to be one stretchy piece. The original top actually has a zipper and shirring, but with this particular fabric I'm using, that's unnecessary. So it depends on the fabric you use, whether you need zippers or shirring and all that good stuff. Here I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing, perfect the lines and cut it out. Even if you're not just mine, can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. These are all the pattern parts of this top, so let's get sewing. I'm going to just go ahead and connect that bottom section with the 4 little rectangles, and I'm going to connect those using a tight zigzag stitch. One more side. I just want to make time for you. Now it's time to move on to the top part of this top, and we're going to just go ahead and use my gathering foot, which I got from Amazon. Super time saver, y'all. You need it if you need gathering in your project. And I'm just going to go ahead and sew that gathering and just let it gather as I sew, which is so perfect. And yeah, I'm going to just keep doing that until I'm all the way around the shirt. Now I'm going to take that front section with the 4 panels and put it right sides together with the back piece, and I'm going to pin those sides together and do a tight zigzag stitch down each side. Once that's done, I'm going to take the top portion and turn it inside out so that the right sides of the bottom panel and the top panel are right sides together. And I'm going to go ahead and first align the side seams, and once I do that, I'm going to ease everything in the mid section and pin it together for a nice zigzag stitch when I get to my machine. Alright, to hem the top, I'm going to first turn the shirt inside out, and then I'm going to fold over to create a channel that is wide enough to fit my elastic. Once that's done, I'm going to do a zigzag stitch, making sure I leave an opening for my elastic to fit through. Then I'm going to take a safety pin and ease that elastic all the way around. Oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Sorry about the blur, but I'm just going to do a zigzag stitch to connect this elastic and then close up the channel. For the arms, I decided to just cut off the little stretchy area of the sleeve and do the same thing I did for the top hem of the top, fold over, feed through the elastic. And this is the final look. It was so easy and it's so cute and simple. I cannot wait to try this design with different fabrics, but this is just a look. Only thing I would change is finding a thread that's the same color as it so you can see the black, but it still looks fine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, butterflies, so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Please share with me if you've done it and hashtag #SewAllegra so that I know that you followed my tutorial. Follow my Instagram, message me for any ideas or tips or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.